going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. We out here with Suburban Delinquent, going out for a little spin. Of course, going to grab a little food. So, let's go. Before we get into this video, I want to say I know there's a lot of you guys out there, a lot of new people to the fam, and I really do appreciate that. Thank you for taking the time to hit that subscribe button and sticking along and hanging out with us. We do all kinds of stuff, bike videos, moto vlogs, group rides, something like this where we go out and eat with good old Sub D, and install videos. We do kind of everything, a little plethora of things. So I just want to say I appreciate you guys taking the time to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little notification bell because it really helps out the channel. And let's go. Let's get into this. Oh, what? There's a tank right there. That's cool. Oh, that's sick. There's like a little missile in there. What is that? What is this place?
I thought I was kidding, huh?
What is this?
This is the headquarters of Oakleys.
Oh, that's like the glasses.
Yeah.
And they have a missile in the tank.
That's a torpedo.
A torpedo? Oh, yeah.
You can't call it tank. I called it a tank one time and the subscribers freaked out on me. It's like some Russian...
Track
like
something?
Russian fruit movie thing.
Alright guys, so we are headed off to a place called Frisco's. It's an American grill, I think, something like that. But the thing that sold me was these Philly cheesesteak egg rolls.
You gotta be careful. You start calling cheesesteaks Philly, you're gonna get all them Philadelphians freaking out on you.
Cheesesteak Philly or Philly cheesesteak? What's the proper way?
I wouldn't even say Philly. I just removed Philadelphia. I've been lit up on that on so many different
Alright, well, we're going to get these egg rolls. They have meat in them, and they're going to be delicious. And, yeah, I was a little concerned with the name being Del Frisco and it being an American grill.
Well, that's like an Italian, French thing?
Yeah,
Mexican name?
I feel like the name doesn't fit the place, but it looks delicious, so I'm all in.
Well, the beauty about an American grill is it's only got to be cooked by an American.
Oakleys headquarters, that is pretty cool, I have to say. I didn't expect that. I've never seen someone's headquarters have all that cool shit on there that has nothing to do with what they do. Maybe there's some history there that I just don't know of. So, before heading up Del Frisco's, we're going for a little spin. I think we're headed over to PCH, go look at the water, get a little fresh air. It's a nice day out. I think that's a great way to spend it. He did mention that there tends to be a lot of cops out in this area, so we gotta take it easy when we hit that area. So Del Frisco's grill is actually fairly new. I think it started in 2014, or at the end of 2014 is when they opened up. So it doesn't have a lot of history behind it. So it's kind of interesting to try their food out. They do say that they're gonna have some bold flavors there. So we're gonna see if that's true. If they truly do have bold flavors or not, and see what happens. I am looking forward to these egg rolls. These egg rolls are going to be quite delicious. That's a short one. Oh. I stalled. I can't believe I just did that. Oh, that was embarrassing. That was horrible. I'm not blaming it on this clutch. I'm still getting used to this thing. was good. Dennys. I'm telling you, Dennys has the best ranch. Fuddruckers is pretty good too. Fuddruckers is definitely a fun place to go. That is dope. That's a cool car. Nothing against those bikes. I just can't understand how you ride like that for so long. Like I feel like my arms would just hurt after a while or get numb maybe. It just seems very uncomfortable to me. I get the idea, like the style and the look of it. I just don't understand the comfort level. Or maybe you just don't go for long rides. Check the battery.
That and let's get an energy drink. For another hour, you know?
I think energy drinks are always a good solution. That was embarrassing.
Yeah. It looks bad.
It was bad.
Same shit happened to me last time we did. I dropped it in neutral on accident. Then it's a lot of Rockstar.
I've never had one. That sounds delicious. When's the last time you bought a lottery card?
It's been a long time.
How much are these? Which one wins the most?
No, we have the number.
$20.
We have 7, which is 20.
Here, let's see what I got.
I can't let you buy that alone. I have to split it.
You want to go big with a $10?
Okay.
All right, we'll do the $20 one.
You want the $20?
Yeah. There you go.
So it's my 20.
Hey, hey.
Wait, it's my
I gave you a 10. It's on video. Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's talk about it. Alright, so in the gas station we got this locker ticket you guys saw and you purchased it. Okay? What? We're not gonna scratch it until when?
For dessert, after we eat.
That's dessert?
This is dessert.
That's dessert.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, well, that Rockstar Pina Colada was on point, man. That was delicious. That was a good one. Anyways, well, we also, you guys saw, we got this lottery card. That's going to be interesting.
I know.
What do you think? You think we're going to win?
I know we're gonna win.
Yeah? Me too. Now it's just about what we're going to do with all that money.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna do GSXR 2.0.
2.0. I like it.
I'm not gonna get a new one.
Yeah, no, you fix her up, huh? Yeah. There's a lot of history here.
It's big. A lot of miles. 71,000 miles of chaos.
Well, if you guys have been following California in the news lately, you've noticed we've had some pretty interesting weather phenomenons. Although I don't know if earthquakes count as weather, but I'm assuming they do. Anyways, yeah. So we've had two pretty big earthquakes within, I think it was Wednesday, we had a 6.4 earthquake, which was the strongest earthquake that we've had in about 20 years. And then we followed that up with Friday having 7.1. I think it was downgraded to a 6.9. But yeah, I was actually live on my podcast, or the other guys live that we do every Friday at 7:30, and while it happened. Now that one for sure, like right away, I knew it was bigger than the first one. The house shook a little bit more. It was dark, so I couldn't check the pool, but I also found out my dogs are broken. My dogs are broken. They did not warn me. They did not bark. I've always heard dogs like know when there's an earthquake. Nothing. They just stayed there. They didn't do anything. So I think my dogs are broken. My bird went crazy like during the earthquake, but that was just because I'm assuming her cage was shaking, or his cage. I don't know what it is. It's a bird. But I'm assuming it was shaking everywhere, which is the only reason it went crazy. But my dogs didn't do anything. I almost never play the lottery. Like, I only play the lottery when, like, the California lotto is at, like, some ridiculous number. And even though your odds are higher, or bleh, and even though the odds of winning are even less, I mean, I feel like if I don't play, it's a waste. But imagine if you would win. Oh my goodness, that'd be crazy. The interesting part is that most people that win the lottery, like there's a documentary that talks about like lottery winners, and man, they've had some really bad luck. I think there's a certain way to do it, and a right way to do it, and a wrong way to do it. And I definitely don't want to be the wrong way. Look at that thing. Jeep R Us. Oh, that's kind of cool. But I would have to say, I would probably start off with a responsible part and pay off like bills and pay off debt. I know it's kind of boring, but after that, I would definitely have to splurge a little bit on a couple motorcycles and maybe a car. I need a car, but definitely motorcycles, depending on how much I win. There's the ocean.
I'm gonna take you up a fun little hill. It's like that.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh my God. That's like steep. Oh. I feel like going down. I feel like going down is going to be much scarier. Oh my God. Way scarier. Yeah, I miss that. It smells like San Diego. San Diego smells the exact same way. I miss living in San Diego. Parking here is a nightmare.
Man, this is a good beach. This is most sought after fucking areas in Southern California.
Probably super expensive. Yeah.
Couldn't even imagine. Don't even know how to put it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a cool view right here. That is nice out here. Feels good. Look at that. That's just spectacular. So it's somewhere around here.
It's in there somewhere, but if we don't park in the right spot, we're walking a long way. I don't want to walk. But if we park in the right spot, it's like a 30-second walk.
This is kind of a cool place. Ah, it's right there. And good parking. And good parking. Yeah. I was a little worried because it said third floor was the only part that was open. And I was like, I don't want to park up there. I'm starving. Yeah. Alright, so we made it to the Frisco's. We ordered our food, and this place looks bomb. It looks like the food's going to be delicious. I'm going to say you've been raving about these egg roll things. So, what's what though? Do you know?
That's sweet and sour sauce.
And then that?
And that's like their whatever sauce.
Alright.
Usually, this comes drizzled over it.
Okay, so it's on the side.
Yeah, because it's super rich.
That's really rich. That is delicious. Ahi taco. I don't even know what's in it. I'm assuming wasabi. Oh man. That is good. It's really fresh. So we watched that lady try to take a bite of this. I was kind of embarrassed for her. We're gonna take a proper bite of this burger. That is a burger. I will say that the staff that's there, super friendly, on point. I think her name was Brianna, was our waitress. Awesome, awesome person, took care of us. And yeah, they definitely know how to treat their customers.
Scratch, scratch.
Oh. We have to still keep working. Alright guys, so with that said, we about done. Had a good long day riding around with Sub D. Got food, came out, hung out at Cook's Corner, and now it's time to go home. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to go check out Sub D. Link will be down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell. And other than that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, or whatever time it is you guys are watching this. Peace.